Welcome to lecture number 2 of Python coding course. In this lecture, we are going to go over the installation of Python and VS Code. So let's head over to our browser. In browser, we are going to search Python and head over to the first link. In the above tab, go and click over download for Windows and save the file, and our file is being downloaded. Now I have already Python installed in my system, so I'm gonna head over and tell you the process. So after the file is downloaded, you run the file and you are gonna get this tab. Make sure to check both the boxes and then click on this. After you click on this, Python starts installing. After the installation is over, close the window. And there it is. You have Python installed in your system. Now we are again gonna head over to a browser and go over the process of installation of VS Code. So in browser, we are just gonna search VS Code and head over to the first link. Here we are gonna click on download for Windows and save the file. And after the file is downloaded, so I do have VS Code already installed in my system. So after the file is installed, you run the setup file and click on I accept the agreement and next. Then make sure to check all these 4 boxes. I don't know why it's not checked here. Make sure to check all these 4 boxes and click on next. Then install. Then the file starts installing and there we go. Launch VS Code, click on this checkbox and finish. After you open the file, VS Code launches. You are gonna this window. Now what do? Minimize this window, make a folder in your desired place, be it your other drives or downloads or my documents, wherever. Make a folder and then open that folder. Click on this open file option and select that folder and open it. After you open it, you're gonna see this sort of window, VS Code. Now in VS Code, you can click this option to create new folder and this to create new file. Now create a file named Python and save the file with .py. We always save Python file with .py, and then here you are gonna write your first line of code, print hello world. This is your first line of code. This is, as you can see, this is the play pause button. Click on this and you're gonna run the Python file. Here we go, hello world. So with this, you have Python installed in your system. You have VS Code installed in your system. VS Code is an IDE where we are gonna do all sorts of Python programming, and you have also written your first line of code. In the upcoming lecture, we are gonna learn about what are literals in Python. So see you in lecture number 3 of Python coding course.